it's me, Allegra. Babes, I just got the Colourpop Barbie collection. Yay, I am so happy. I can't believe it. I'm so excited to play with it. I can't even contain myself. I'm like literally on cloud 11 right now. It is like 3 o'clock in the morning and I don't even care. I've been waiting all day. I had so much to do though, and I was like, girl, maybe you should wait till tomorrow. And I was like, no, I can't wait. I gotta open this right now. I haven't even opened it yet, guys, but I figured we'll do everything together. So this is the Barbie times Colourpop collection. Here's the box that it comes in. And so let's just open it up and see, guys. I'm so excited. I was looking at all the pictures online and I was flipping out over everything that I saw. You guys, how cute is this? I can't even. So guys, let's open it up and see what we got here. I got the Barbie Colourpop Malibu Sunset Lip Duo. I cannot wait to play with this. Okay, we'll go in order. And I figured we'll do a look today too. Did I say that already? Or you guys know I can't be around makeup and not play with it. I got the Barbie Colourpop Golden Beach Lip Duo. The Barbie Colourpop Dream House Lip Duo. Yes, I can't wait. I can't wait. Look at this packaging. The packaging alone is everything. It's just so beautiful, you guys. And here is the Super Shock Highlighter in Beach Party from the Colourpop Barbie collection. I can't even believe how beautiful this is. Guys, I'm seriously gonna be a hoarder. I could never throw this out. It's so beautiful. Then they have the Colourpop Barbie doll lashes. Guys, how cute. Oh, this is just what I needed. You guys, I can't believe this, but I got the Colourpop Barbie hand mirror. Have you guys seen this online? Here's the packaging. When I saw the pictures of this online, I couldn't believe my eyes. I was just like, no, there's no way I'm gonna be able to get that. I figured, you know, everything sells out so fast, so you'd never know if you're gonna be able to get stuff. Oh, it's so cute. How cute is this? It's a little hand mirror. It's not too big. It's the perfect size. Oh my God. And it's pink and it says Barbie Colourpop on it. Oh my God. This is just amazing. So guys, here is what many of you have probably been waiting for, the palette. Have you seen pictures of this palette? Oh my God. I've just been gasping over the pictures online that people are posting. I just can't believe my eyes. So every time I see it, I'm like, oh my God, yes, here it is, guys. This is the Malibu Barbie Colourpop palette. This looked amazing online. I can't wait to see it in real life. Yes! Wow. Here's the packaging on the inside of the palette, and then here is the palette itself. Wow, this is so beautiful. And guys, I love how it is a little bit on the smaller side, so it's not a huge palette, but it's just perfect because I don't know, something about it. I just feel like it's so much easier to bring it out and about with you when it's on the smaller side. And all of the shadows are embossed with different, like this one has the palm tree, the heart, the rainbow. Here's another heart. So love that. And it does have a mirror. And guys, there's beautiful neutral shades in here, so you can do a colorful look or a neutral look, but I feel like, you know, I do neutral looks a lot, so let's play, let's have fun, and play with these colorful shades. Is that what you guys are here for, colorful eyeshadow? Let me know. So guys, oh my God, this is just calling my name. This yellow shade here, that is called West Coast. Oh my God, this one too, SoCal. I'm gonna play with these today, orange and yellow. What do you guys think, guys? Or we'll see what happens, because I always say one thing and then I start playing and then I go into something totally different. So let me just go ahead though. That yellow is calling my name. So I'm gonna grab a hold of that yellow shade and I'm just gonna put that in the crease area. I have already put foundation on my eyes, so they're prepped with a little bit of foundation today, not concealer like I usually do. This is beautiful. Okay, this is not what I was expecting. Very wearable. You could definitely feel comfortable wearing this on the daily. It's just stunning. Wow. It's actually not as vibrant, I guess, as I thought it was. It's more just stunning. I hope you guys can see this. This is like seriously one of my favorite eyeshadow colors I've ever used. And I'm gonna take a shader brush and just smudge some of that. That is so beautiful, guys. I literally am in love with that color. So I'm just gonna take some of the brown shade in the palette that is Zuma Beach, and I'm just gonna put that in the lower crease area. And then bring back the yellow just to blend it out. That is West Coast. I'm so in love with this color, West Coast. I don't even want to do anything else but put this color all over. It's just that gorgeous. And I'll just take a clean fluffy brush and just blend out and buff out our edges. So now I'm going to take my Colourpop color sticks, and this is, I'm not sure the shade, oh, Charmed Life Metallic. I'm going to smudge this into my lower waterline and probably smudge it on my upper lashes too. And now I'm just dipping back into that chocolatey brown shade that is Zuma Beach, and with just an angled brush, I'm just blending out that color stick shade and just getting a little bit of depth up in there. And I'm just smudging it on my lower waterline. And then I'm just tapping West Coast right on top of the chocolate shade, and that just gives the most gorgeous color blend. You just tap it right on top and it blends, they blend into each other like a dream. And we'll bring it back the West Coast on the bottom lashes as well. And you guys, I can't resist playing with these shimmer shades, so I'm just gonna dip into Come On and put that in the tear duct, and maybe we'll go into the lid because I probably can't resist myself. I like to keep it back, but I just can't stop. A lot of times I start putting the shimmer on and I just can't stop. Yeah, I can't stop. It's too beautiful, I can't. Are you guys like me? I love a matte look, but then when you see a shimmer, you're just like, that's not even wet. Isn't that amazing? Oh my god, that's serious. This is serious. These are seriously the most gorgeous colors. I'm so in shock right now because I really just loved, to be honest, the Barbie vibe and the Barbie, you know, packaging, and I wasn't really knowing what to expect from the eyeshadows. I mean, always the Colourpop shadows are so good, great quality, but this is out of this world amazing. This is, like I said, guys, this is not even wet. Guys, I love these colors so much, and I've never seen anything like them, so they're really unique. But I'm just gonna go ahead now. Actually, I'm gonna put on some mascara, and then I'm gonna put on those doll lashes. Let's go ahead and I'll put on some mascara. This is the Act Natural mascara from Colourpop. So now, guys, I'm gonna just take the Colourpop doll lashes and I'm gonna put these on. I can't wait. So beauties, I'm back. There was a little bit of an issue with the doll lashes. So did you ever feel like your makeup was demon possessed? That's just how I feel right now. That's how I feel right now. This is just drama. So I have on just some, you know, kiss lashes. And let's see what else I put on. Some liquid liner, you guys. I put on this Huda Life Liner. This is amazing. It is on sale right now for $12. Hopefully it's still on sale. It was at Sephora on sale for $12. It's amazing. So I just, you know, lined my eyes with that. But now, guys, let's see here. I have this beautiful Barbie Colourpop. This is the Beach Party Super Shock Highlighter. I'm like, can't even believe my eyes. It's just so stunning. Who doesn't love this packaging? And guys, here it is. Here it is. So beautiful. Look at those swirls of color. I don't like to go crazy with highlighter. You guys probably notice a lot of people aren't really going crazy with highlighter at the moment. So let's just put a little bit on and see how it goes. But you know where that goes. I put a little bit and then I can't stop. So yeah, I'll put some on my nose. Oh, this is beautiful though because it's not too much. So you could definitely have fun. Okay, guys, let's put it. Okay, let's put it all over. I give up. Let's just put it everywhere. So I'll put it right up in here. Cause it's, look at that. Cause it's not too much. It's just beautiful. Oh, I'll put some in my tear duct area. That'll be gorgeous. Oh wow, that's beautiful. for your inner corner highlight. Oh my god, guys, beautiful. Looks like it's actually wet. Put some here too. Let's put some all over for fun. And I'll just pop on a little bit more bronzer, and then we'll just put on the lip. Wait till you see this lip. When I was putting on my lashes, I just grabbed a quick look at the lips, and they're gorgeous. They're just so beautiful. I can't even put this bronzer on my nose. Let's just go bronze. This is a very bronze look. It's turned into. So I'm just gonna give myself a spritz of my Allegra Cherry Beauty Mist. So while we're letting this dry and soak in, we're gonna put on the lip. Finally, I can't wait. This lip is so gorgeous looking, guys. I can't even. Here's the packaging. These are lip kits, so you're getting a lipstick and then lip liner, the coordinating lip liner in one. So there's 3 of them in the collection. So I'm gonna come back and do swatches and show you guys everything for today. I just couldn't wait to come make a look. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put on the lip liner now. And I'm just putting the lip liner all over. It's a very light shade. So that is the lip liner. This is Golden Beach lip liner. And then here is the lipstick. So it is pinker than it looks. So I'm gonna put on a little bit of lip liner just to give some contrast to the outer portion of my lips. So beauties, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed seeing how I created my Colourpop Malibu Barbie look today. This palette is tons and tons of fun. I can't believe how gorgeous this, I feel like I've never seen a shadow like this West Coast, this yellow golden shade in my life. It is so beautiful. So I'm so glad that I was able to play with this palette today. And beauties, I wanted to go ahead and swatch this palette out for you dolls. And so here is the palette. This is the Colourpop Malibu Barbie palette that we just used. And how stinking gorgeous are these shades? These are the shimmers in the palette. So vibrant, creamy, gorgeous, unbelievable, just amazing. And then here are the mattes. They're just beyond stunning. So I couldn't wait to show these Colourpop Malibu Barbie swatches to you. So much fun filming today's video. If you liked today's video, I hope that you'll subscribe. Also give me a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram. So I hope you beauties are all doing good. Let me know what you think of this collection. Are you picking it up? Have you picked it up already? I want to see your guys' looks, so definitely tag me if you make any looks. I want to see what you guys make. And also, don't forget you can use my Colourpop promo code 2021 5 Allegra, and you'll save on your Colourpop order. So thank you beauties again so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I love you dolls so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.